everybody, it's me again. Have you practiced your last week writing? Do you enjoy them? Because it's a very rainy day, we're going to learn you.
What is that?
You is rain.
Okay.
And we're going to use the red pen to match my dress, which is my mom's favourite dress.
I think it is really pretty dress, Alice.
And rain in Chinese is you. Now I'm going to show you how to write the rain. One straight line, top to bottom, left to right, top to bottom, non-stop tick, a line straight, and then top ticks at both sides.
This is called?
Rain.
And in Chinese is?
You.
Okay.
Now we're going to do another one. Now with pretend if you move this, there comes a xia beside it. So remember I taught you about big and up and down.
Yes.
And we are going to write xia yu, which is raining. And that's, you write it like this. One straight line, there's rain with you. That's raining.
So a down and a rain is mean?
Raining.
So in Chinese it's called?
下雨.
Ah. Right, it's the end of the lesson.
So do you like this one? We're going to do the next one next week, and don't forget it's my Uncle Beanie's birthday. I have no idea why his birthday is on a rainy day.
So what are you going to say to him then?
生日快乐, Uncle Beanie. That means happy birthday.
And?
Bye-bye, it's the end of the lesson.
Bye-bye.
See you next week for some more.